Hello friends, I am Madhura. Welcome to MadhurasRecipe.com. Today I am going to show you how to prepare egg keema or ande ka keema. Now keema is basically a minced or a ground meat, and there are many types of meat that you can use to prepare this keema, like goat, lamb, chicken, turkey. And if you don't eat meat, then you can make this simple and delicious egg keema. And if you don't even eat egg, then in that case you can substitute egg with any vegetable of your choice, or you can use mixed veggies, boiled veggies. Subscribe to Madhura's Recipe and hit the bell icon to receive updates of all my new recipes. So here's what you need for this recipe. We need 1 large onion finely chopped, 1 tomato finely chopped, coriander leaves chopped, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon besan, that is chickpea flour, and salt to taste. And we need some boiled eggs. And for this recipe we need to use hard boiled eggs. The other soft or semi boiled eggs doesn't work for making this keema. Alright, so first thing first, I have preheated a teaspoon of oil into a pan, and in the oil add in besan. Basically we are going to lightly roast this besan so that the raw taste of this besan goes away. Just dry roast it on medium heat for like 4 to 5 minutes. This egg keema also makes a wonderful alternative for regular egg curry or anda curry. Now if you are watching my channel and if you haven't subscribed, right down below this video you will find this subscribe icon. You can hit that icon as well as bell button, so that you will be get informed or updated about my every new recipe that I post twice a week, like on every Tuesday and every Thursday at 11 am sharp or 11 in the morning. So make sure that you hit the subscribe icon. Now here you can see this besan has slightly changed its color and nice aroma has started to release out. Now let's just keep this pan aside. Take another pan. Of course add some oil, about 1 to 2 tablespoons, and let the oil get heated. Oil is nice and hot. Let's go ahead and put in onion. Mix that in and cook this onions over medium heat until it gets nice and soft and start to get light golden color. And while here our onions are getting ready, let's take this boiled egg and chop them roughly. If you want, you can also grate these hard boiled eggs, and as I mentioned before, you need to make use of hard boiled eggs in this recipe. Don't chop it very fine, as we want to have that nice minced texture in this egg keema. Alright, so here minced eggs are ready. Also here these onions have caramelized really good. You can see they have turned really nice and soft. Now at this point of time, in these cooked onions add in chopped tomatoes and all the rest of spices, ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, garam masala, coriander powder, and give this a mix. Many times people add this garam masala at the end of recipe, but to my experience, when I add this garam masala at the end of any dish, it leaves that raw, uncooked and strong flavor of that garam masala in the dish, and I personally don't prefer that. I like the flavor of this garam masala get infused along with masala itself, but if you like, you can just leave that garam masala aside and add that at the end of any dish. Now once everything is well mixed in, continue to cook this over medium heat for 3 to 4 more minutes. You need to mix this in between. Now if at any point of time if you feel this masala is getting dried out or it is sticking to the bottom of pan, just go ahead and add in little bit of water, mix and continue to cook. And here these tomatoes are cooked along with onion for 5 minutes now, and you can see that these tomatoes have turned nice and soft and they have completely melted on. Now let's go ahead and add in some more water. About 1/4 cup of water is needed. Super. And you can also notice the oil has started to separate out from this gravy. Now let's go ahead and add in this roasted besan. Now what does this besan do? This besan acts as a binding agent in this gravy. You can see that. Now when you add these eggs in this onion and tomatoes won't feel separated. It gives very good binding to any dish. Now let's put in some salt and cook this together for 2 more minutes. Superb. It smells fantastic, and look at the awesome creamy texture this gravy has got. Now if you like your keema to be on a more liquidy side, you can certainly increase the amount of water, but I like it not too dry as well as not too thin, so this is the perfect consistency for me. Now in this, let's go ahead and put in this minced eggs and give this a mix. Super. Now continue to cook this for 3 to 4 more minutes until the flavor of this masala gets well absorbed with these minced eggs. And here this egg keema is cooked, covered for 5 minutes. Wow, look at the color it has got. Superb. And it has got this awesome creamy texture as well. And plus you can see this nice bits of boiled eggs in this egg keema. And just a final step, add in lots of finely chopped coriander leaves. And our egg keema is ready. You can serve this with some hot fulka, chapati, roti, naan. It also tastes wonderful with a plain boiled rice. So if you like this video, hit the like button. Also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.